Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is finally my update for the hashtag Partners in Cream set up by DaLin and myself. So if you want to see how I did, then just keep watching. So if you're interested in the rules, I have them down below but I'm using 5 products. So I've actually hit goal on 3 out of the 5. So I'm going to show you my 2 progress ones first and then the 3. And just as a side note, mine is late because I was doing my exams. I usually post things like that up on Instagram. So thank you to everyone who said best of luck. I wasn't expecting that. I just wanted to let people know where I was. So thank you. So the first product that I'm still working away on is my colour tattoo. Maybe it's Maybelline in Creme de Nude. My goal is to finish this. You can see on the last time that I had a big juicy Lucy panule. This time I've used it another 17 times. So I don't know if you can see on the screen. I haven't looked at before and after to see how I'm getting on with this, but I'm happy using it. I just put it on my eye to set down my lid, is that what you'd say? So I'm happy enough using it. I don't really have anything to use in its place when it's done, so my goal is just to finish it and we're working away on it nicely. The second product that I could say I hit goal on is my Huda Beauty, but I'm not. It's my Huda Beauty 3D highlighting palette and I'm working on the cream shade in here called Capri. My original goal was to use it 30 times and I did that. Then my next goal was whenever I hit pan in something I would be done with it. So as you can see this time, I actually hit pan in the powder in a different project, but technically that would be goal met, but I'm just going to keep using it. So this time I used it another 20 times. So that means I've used this cream in total in its lifetime 52 times. I think I might just try and go and hit pan in it. What do you think? I want to work away on it anyway. I'm really enjoying using it. It's not a hard product to use. If you remember to use it, it's easy to apply. When you put this on, I just dab it on with a sponge. I put this particular one on over my foundation. And I love it. I love this palette. I'm happy with it. But that's my second progress item. And now on to my goal met and what I'm rolling in. So I rolled in the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Light Up. It is an ultra metallic and it's absolutely beautiful. And I used it 7 additional times and I have finally hit Juicy Lucy Panule. That means that we have, I have 8 Super Shock shadows in my collection. We have now hit goal on half of them. So we've hit pan in 4. So that's pretty good. On to the 5th one. So the next one is a rotating one. I wanted to rotate through my eyeliners and I rolled in my only brown eyeliner by Ellen Beatrix. I wanted to use it 10 times and I actually used it, I used it 16 times. Go me! It is a brown liner. I thought that I was going to end up decluttering this. I really did because it's dry. It is the only brown I have, but when I started using it, it became less dry. It did not stay in the waterline. It just did not stay. However, I liked it. I do I would not get this one again because it doesn't stay in your waterline, but for the purposes of just top it up or whatever, it's really nice. It's less harsh than the black. I actually enjoyed a brown eyeliner, so I used it 6 times more than I needed to. Go me, go me. And then finally I have my rolling eyeliner, oh god, it has been a rough. This is my, what are these? What are those? Nail varnish. These are my nail varnishes that I was rolled in, god. I am not coping. So the first one I wanted to use all of these. I want to use all of my nail varnishes and kind of like a chopping block. And then once we've established that, I then want to start using some up. So you're just going through the process with me. So this one here is Essie in Press Pause. I love all of these. These are all new, by the way. When I say new, I mean the last 4 months. So this is Essie Press Pause. Any pictures I have, I will put them up on the screen. This next one is a more purpley one and it is Lilacism. I like you a lot. This is a Barry M Jelly High Shine and this one is in Lavender. These ones are like €5 and I find them so good. So good. So good. Who knew that I would know. This is Barry M Green Origin Nail Paint and this one is in Lilac Orchid. And I actually really liked them. And I do like both of these brands, but I just find it funny the price difference between these 2 brands and this is just so good. They're not that, they're in some Boots, not all. but I personally got mine on ASOS and it was grand. Okay, so the next liner I am rolling in, again, chopping block, because I actually have 2 eyeliners in my collection that are a copper shade, this one and another one, and I use the other one, so I want to see how I feel about this one. And this is the Ooh La La from Sleek in Rouge Trio 7, and again, we want to use this 10 times. That is it there. I don't know like why I'm doing this. It's quite dry. That is a lot redder than I anticipated. I know that I wore this once and someone kind of thought I was unwell. So I just want to establish how I feel about this one. I'm actually rolling in 2 from Essie this time again, and they're from a little kit, like a ballerina kit, is that what you'd call them? Ballet slippers, and the other is ballet sneakers. So here they are. I find it so hard when colours are similar to choose between. So there are these 2 that I want to use. This one is a chopping block item. This is the Barry M nail paint Under the Sea in Butterfly Fish. And I have this a longish time. As you can see, it's a kind of a duochrome. And as pretty as it is, I always seem to gravitate towards nudie kind of colours. Never these. So I just want to wear it. And if not, then pass it along to someone who will like it. And then the last one is this Molten. This is Molten Metal Nail Paint by Barry M. And this is in Antique Gold. I'm not sure, is this colour an accent shade or all fingers shade? Then for my Colourpop Super Shock Shadow Rolling In Time, this is Twitter Painted, which is an ultra glitter. This one is also so goddamn beautiful. I want to hit pan. I want to hit pan on it. I don't know why I keep bringing shadows into things considering I'm panning so many eyeshadows. I don't know, but I still want to do it because I really, really do enjoy them. Especially when I'm working 1 day a week in the office and the rest at home. That day is pretty handy to use this. It's just so beautiful. I just love them. I hope they don't ever stop making these. That was my update. Thank you so much for everyone that's doing this. This is so overwhelming. I can't wait to go watch everyone's video now that my exam is over. And yeah, I'll see you the next time. Take care. Bye. Thank you.